Next question, see here. It's a very very good question again. Square root of 44944 plus square root of 5.2441 is equal to question mark. Your answer options are 312, 441, 485, 17. None of these. These are your 5 answer options. Now listen carefully, sir. I already taught you how to find the square root of a number. Square root of 44944. Make a group of 2 digits. I can say that it is ending with 4. Answer will end with either 2 or 8. Like that, if I keep doing it, which I taught you in my first class, square root of 44944, I will get it as 212. Right? I will get it as 212. Similarly, square root of, ignore the decimal, 52441. 52441, I will get it as 229. But decimal inside the square root is after 4 places. Outside the square root should be after 2 places. So it is 2.29. But outside there is another square root. Sir, you are wasting too much of time if you are doing all these things. Think little bit and mark your answer so easily, sir. This is where my students' smartness should be so beautiful. Can I say that first number does not have decimal, so I will get a whole number inside the square root. Second number has a decimal, so square root of decimal number is a decimal value. Inside the square root I will get decimal. Square root of decimal will be a decimal value, and all the answer options are whole numbers. Answer is none of these. Who asked you to solve this question? Idea clear? Anyway, next question. Now see here, sir. See here, another question which involves square root. Square root of 7 square into 24 into 2 minus 11 cube plus 3 is equal to question mark. Right? Is equal to question mark. Your answer options are 42, 1024, 1764, 1024 whole square, 32. Right? These are your answer options. Now see here. I taught you in my previous class also. Divya, you asked me this variety of question. Please listen carefully, sir. I taught you in my previous class also. Square root of 9 is 3. I don't want to work with square root. 9 can be written as 3 square. Right? 9 can be written as 3 square. Eliminate the square root in the question. Square all the answer options. That will be the same logic what we can implement. Square all the answer options. If I square this fourth option, it will become power 4. Right? It will become power 4. Last option is again square. Right? Now see here. Can I say that if I apply digital sum, 49, 7 square is 49. 49 digital sum is 3 into, this is nothing but 4 plus 2, 6. 6 into 2 is 12. 12 digital sum is 3. Right? 49 digital sum is 4. 24 into 2 is the digital sum 3. 11 is 2. 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 3 is what I got. Next, 4 into 3, 12. 12 is nothing but again 1 plus 2, 3. So your final answer for digital sum is, you got it as minus 2. I told you in my previous classes also. Why it is also I told you in my previous classes. Can I say that minus 2, whenever you get a negative value, add 9 in digital sum. Minus 2 plus 9 is 7. Question digital sum is 7. Answer digital sum should also be 7. 42. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 square is 36. 36 is 9. Ruled out. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 square is 49. 49 digital sum is 4. It is not equal to 9. Ruled out. Third option. 1764. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 is 9. 9 square is 81. Ruled out. Next. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 power 4. 7 power 4 is 7 square into 7 square. 7 square is 49, it is 4. 49 it is 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 digital sum is 7, right? 16 digital sum is 7. This may be the correct answer, right? This may be the correct answer. Last option, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 square is 25. 25 digital sum is also 7. This also may be the correct answer. Now I have got two options which are satisfying the digital sum of the question. That is the reason you should also implement unit digit concept in this particular question and get the answer very fast. Don't use unit digit in the first three options because anyway they are waste. They are already eliminated. Only check with other things. Can I say 7 square is 49? It is 9 into 4 into 2 is 8. It is 8 minus 11 cube is 1. So plus 3. This is what I got. 9 into 8 is 72. 2 minus 1 plus 3. Unit digit is 4. But can I say that unit digit is 4 inside the square root? Inside the square root, if I take, it should be 4, right? It should be 4 inside the square root. Square root of 4, it will end with 2. It will end with 2 or it will end with 8, right? Square root of number ending with 4, it will end with 2 or it will end with 8. The options which are present right now, one is ending with 4, other is ending with 2. There is no option ending with 8. Fourth option ruled out, fifth option should be correct.